Tesla has officially dropped its spring 2025 update, and it's a big one. From long-awaited safety upgrades and smarter navigation to camera and comfort enhancements, this is one of the most meaningful over-the-air updates Tesla has released to date. And today, we're breaking down every major feature across all Tesla models and comparing them to what legacy automakers and EV newcomers are offering. Stick around because while some of this update catches Tesla up to the competition, a few features quietly push them back into the lead. Let's start with the headline feature, Adaptive Matrix High Beams. After regulatory delays in the US, Tesla is finally enabling Matrix LED headlights support for Model 3, Y, S, and X. Assuming your vehicle has the required hardware, these lights automatically dim individual sections of the beam to reduce glare for oncoming traffic while maintaining visibility elsewhere. It's been live in Europe for a year, but in the US, Tesla was trailing behind Rivian, BMW, and Mercedes, who already brought similar adaptive lighting to market. Now Tesla matches the competition, but does it in the Tesla way through a software update. Worth noting, however, Cybertruck is excluded. Its minimalist headlight design lacks the Matrix hardware, so no adaptive beams there yet. Next, for Model S and Model X drivers, Tesla is fixing something that frankly should have been addressed earlier. The blind spot camera feed, which used to only appear on the center screen, can now be placed directly in the driver's instrument cluster. That means when you hit your turn signal, you'll see the live video right in your line of sight, just like Hyundai's blind view monitor. It's cleaner, safer, and long overdue. It's not revolutionary, but it finally brings Tesla flagship vehicles in line with the industry best practices, and in some cases ahead of rivals who still use blinking icons instead of real-time video. If you drive a newer Tesla, especially one with the latest computer hardware, you're getting a huge upgrade to Dashcam and Sentry mode. Tesla will now record from the B-pillar cameras, giving you even more surveillance coverage. You'll have up to 6 angles recorded covering front, rear, fenders, and both sides. This is a major win for security, especially with rising incidents of vandalism and break-ins. Even better, the in-car dashcam viewer has been redesigned. You can now view all camera feeds at once, jump forward or back 15-second increments, and move between clips without backing out of the interface. Tesla still leads the industry here. Rivian is the only real rival with multi-angle recording, but no one else, not even BMW, Lucid, or Ford, offers this level of integrated vehicle surveillance. And to be honest, the feature I'm the most excited about is Tesla's built-in navigation is also getting a major intelligence boost. For the first time ever, you can now choose between 3 route types: fastest route, best amenities with fewer stops, or the long-awaited avoid highway option. That last one, people have been begging for it for years. But the standout is clearly best amenities. Tesla now routes you through charging stops that have well-rated restaurants, shops, and restrooms, elevating the road trip experience from functional to actually enjoyable. Google Maps, Apple Maps, and EV route planners like A Better Route Planner have offered some of this, but Tesla's integrating it natively and optimizing it around superchargers is a smart move, one that few EV makers are doing. Now for a few quality of life wins. You can now set your trunk opening height based on location. If you park in a low ceiling garage, your Tesla will remember that and open the trunk just halfway, but go full height elsewhere. That's smart design, and right now, no other EV does this based on GPS. And guess what? Cybertruck owners, you're not left out. You can now do the same thing with the front. That's right, save your front hood's opening height with a press and hold, again, location based. And for everyone who's been frustrated by 12-volt power outlets turning off too quickly, Tesla now gives you the option to keep accessory power on. That includes USB ports, wireless chargers, and 12-volt sockets, even when the vehicle is off. You know, think dash cams, coolers, or charging a drone battery at your campsite. It's simple toggle, and it's finally here. The Cybertruck is getting smarter too with this update. Autopilot and full self-driving will now trigger a new comfort drive mode. That means softer suspension, higher ride height, and reduced acceleration, all to make the ride smoother while the vehicle drives itself. You don't have to switch anything manually. Tesla is doing it dynamically. It's subtle, but it's something other brands haven't done yet. Most EVs let you choose between comfort or sport, but none automatically adjust those things based on driving mode. That's a Tesla exclusive move. Also, lane departure avoidance finally arrives on the Cybertruck. It was absent at launch, but now joins the rest of the lineup with warnings and assist modes, providing visual, audio, and haptic feedback if you drift out of your lane. On the media side, Tesla's infotainment system gets even more polished. You can now shuffle Apple Music's playlist over 100 songs, scroll SiriusXM's favorites using the steering wheel, log into Amazon Music free if you don't pay for Prime, and YouTube Music now shows up next in the player. These may seem small, but they're part of Tesla's broader strategy. No CarPlay Auto or Android Auto, but rich native integrations. Whether that's enough depends on you, but Tesla's adding convenience where it can. So how does this all compare to the rest of the EV landscape? Adaptive headlights? Tesla now matches Rivian and BMW and others. Dashcam and security? Tesla and Rivian lead. Everyone else lags behind. Navigation. Tesla finally adds routing flexibility and pushes ahead with amenity-based stops. Driver assist. Tesla still leads in capability, but Ford's Blue Cruise and GM's Super Cruise offer superior hands-free convenience. Comfort integration. Tesla's new comfort mode for Autopilot is unique. No other EV does this automatically. In short, the spring 2025 update closes some gaps, solidifies Tesla's lead in others, and reminds the industry why Tesla's OTA approach is still a match. The spring 2025 update isn't a flashy overhaul, but it's a decisive refinement. It brings safety, comfort, navigation, and security into sharper focus across the entire Tesla lineup. Whether you drive a Model 3, Y, S, or X, or the new Cybertruck, this update makes your car better. Today, no dealer visit, no upsell, just software delivered over the air. And that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you here next time on Elevate TV. Peace.